In this video, I'll show you how to convert your Excel file into a perfectly clean, professional-looking PDF. No cut-off columns, no weird page breaks. Just a smooth, printable result. Let's jump into it. First, we need to define what we actually want in the PDF. Let's say you've got a budget sheet from January to December, in columns A to M and rows 1 to 30. Now, select the entire area. Go to the Page Layout tab and click on Print Area. Now, set the print area. This tells Excel, only print this part. Now we don't want our PDF to look like a jigsaw puzzle, right? Go to the Page Layout tab again and check the settings. Click on Orientation. Landscape usually works better for wide data. When it's come to size, pick letter or A4, depending on your audience. Under Margins, go with Narrow to maximize space. And then click on the little arrow on the bottom right of the Page Setup group to open more options. Under Scaling, choose Fit to 1 page wide by 1 tall to keep it all on one page. No more split columns. Want to add a professional touch? Click Insert, then click on Header and Footer. You can add things like Budget Sheet. Always check the Print Preview. Go to File, then Print. This helps you catch anything weird, like a column going off the page or extra blank rows. Time for the magic. Let's turn this into a PDF. Go to File. Click on Export. Create a PDF document. Click Publish. Done. Or simply hit File. Click on Save As. Choose where you want to save it. Then choose PDF from the drop-down. Give it a proper name like Budget Sheet and click Save. Boom, your clean, pro-looking PDF is ready. And that's it. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more quick and easy Excel tips every week. Drop a comment if you want a video on automating PDFs from Excel. It's a game changer. Thanks for watching.